Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Emporia Smart 5. So we have a Google Lens on this device in default state, so we can do it by the two ways, by the Google Lens and by the web browser. So I'm going to show you the first method now. We have to open the Google Photos, then look for the picture that you want to search in the Google, like this one. And now it's just a moment, so I will pick something from my gallery, like this one, and click on the Google Lens. And the whole process starting automatically. And now we are searching for this similar photos. That was the first method. And the second one by the web browser, so we have to open the web browser, of course, then go to the google.com, like here, and it's a very important step and it's necessary. Click on the three dot icon and switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on the small camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to the gallery, to the files, and pick your photo. If you're ready, click done. And now automatically we are looking for the similar or the same photo in the Google image database. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.